Thank you very much for joining us. Stormwatch 9 weather on the web. The first weekend of 2025 is here. Can you believe that? We've already rolled through the first few days of the new year and now heading into a colder weekend. That's right, tomorrow and on Sunday, even next week, temperatures much lower than they have been. Matter of fact, some spots may not get out of the teens over the next several days north in the 20s in southern parts of the state. Then you have to factor in the wind, gusty at times, Saturday, Sunday, and on and off into next week. I think the strongest winds again will take over Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. That's also going to knock the wind chills down quite a bit between tomorrow and the middle and end of next week. However, that wind flow out of the west-northwest keeping us on the dry side and suppressing the storm track well to our south. Here's a look at the future winds tonight and tomorrow. Still gusty at times on Saturday, 20 to 30 miles per hour in many spots. Same story on Sunday, but also keep in mind the temperatures are going to be lower than they were at the end of the week. So the feel-like temperatures even lower than that. On Monday, still a bit of a breeze, and then on Tuesday, a shot at gusts to 40 or higher in some areas, and the winds will stay active all the way through Wednesday and Thursday of next week. Wind flow right now coming in out of the west, shifting around to the northwest, bringing in the colder air over southern parts of eastern and central Canada, and that's going to develop here through the course of our weekend. So for tonight, partly cloudy skies, could be a passing flurry to the north, temperatures bottoming out around 10 north to the lower 20s in southern New Hampshire. As a matter of fact, due to the wind stirring things up a little bit, the temperatures are not going to fall down to even right at average, so slightly above the norm. Here's the problem. The winds make it feel even colder. So tomorrow and Saturday, teens north, 20s for many, right around 30 along the coast, and back into the lower part of the Merrimack Valley. If you want to hit the slopes, bundle up. Breezy all day, clouds, some breaks of sun, teens a good part of the day in the central and northern part of the state in ski country. By Sunday, the temperature's even lower, a high of only around 10 up north to around 30 in southern parts of the state. So factor in the wind. How will it feel all weekend long? Look at early on Saturday, the wind chills sub-zero in far northern New Hampshire. Same story into the afternoon and Saturday night, and not a whole lot warmer farther to the south. On Sunday, wind chills start off the day 10 to 20 below up north, 10 to 15 above in the Merrimack Valley by the afternoon. Still holding on to that classic mid-winter cold into the early part of next week. Does it warm up at all beyond Tuesday and Wednesday? The short answer, not by a whole lot. Upper 20s on Thursday, the best shot of snow showers between now and the end of next week. Statewide will come in during that day. Outside of that, mainly dry, flurries up north Tuesday and on Wednesday.